Welcome to Dr. Jalil Photography. Today I'll be showing you how to find a very good quality light diffuser materials for product photography, macro photography or tabletop photography. I usually collect from monitors and televisions. I'll show you in few seconds how I collected one big size diffuser material from a big size television, LED television. Before I show you the details video, let me tell you a few words about diffuser materials. Diffuser materials for flashlight are essential components that serves to scatter the soften the emitted light, creating a more even and visually appealing illumination. These materials play a crucial role in controlling the direction, intensity, and distribution of light. When selecting a diffuser material for radiant diffuser, softbox, lightbox, or any other DIY projects for macro photography or product photography, factors like light transmission, diffusion efficiency, impact resistance, and design aesthetics are considered to ensure optimal performance and visual appeal in different lighting applications. Now I am going to show you how I have collected a big size diffuser materials along with some other plastic materials essential for product photography and tabletop photography. Please keep watching how I did it. You can see there is a big size television in front of me. This one is out of order. I'm going to open this one and I'll show you what I can bring it out, and I'll show you what I can bring out some sheets, plastic sheets from this television, and I'll explain the purpose of those plastic sheets for my tabletop photography and macro photography. I'll make some diffusers and backdrops from these plastic sheets. I'll explain. Let me open it first and I'll show you. Welcome to Dr. Jalil Photography. Today I'll be showing you what are the materials I got from this big size television. I just managed to open this panel and I found this diffuser sheet. See, this one is beautiful, excellent diffuser sheet. Then there's another layer. This one is a reflector. I will use this one as a reflector. And there is another diffuser sheet here. I'll be making radiant diffuser and other diffuser for my tabletop photography, and also I'll be using sometime this. Also, I'll be using as a backdrop. Let me keep it aside. There are three sheets, two diffuser sheet and one reflector sheet. I was expecting a white color reflector inside this panel, but unfortunately, I'm very unlucky. Instead of plastic sheet, they have given a metal big sheet that I cannot fold, I cannot use very effectively. So this time I had to throw it out. But in most modern television, you will find a white color, beautiful reflector inside the panel. But this one is a little bit older model, so that they have not given a sheet, rather they have given a white color metal sheet here. So if you want to use your old television or computer monitor, you can use this material as a tabletop photography accessories for making a reflector, making a diffuser sheet, making a radiant diffuser, etc., etc. In my upcoming videos, I'll be making some product from these shades, and I'll be uploading another video how to use this material for tabletop photography. Thank you for watching until the end. If you like my techniques, if you like my channel, if you're new in my channel, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for my upcoming projects. Thank you for watching until the end. Bye bye.